This 2025 Jayco North Point 310RLTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, refrigerator, awning, air conditioning, water heater, TV, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco North Point 310RLTS is 13,265 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.